Hey guys, welcome to my another video. Hope you are well. Today we'll know about Quora. Quora is a simple question and answer platform which has 4 million active users every month. Quora is a black hole for multiple types of user. It has various kind of traffic. You can boost your lead gen business by using Quora. You can use it for huge amount of traffic. So in this video, we will see how can we get traffic and boost your SEO rank by using Quora. So let's go for it. First, you have to sign up for it. I have already an account in Quora, so I will sign in Quora. I hope you can sign up for it. So I will log in to Quora. Okay, here we go. This is the platform of Quora where you will you have to answer the question for your SEO site. So you have to find okay. So you have to find your multiple question and make them to answer for your rank. So here we can go. This is the search bar for your question such as I have company and it is the financial company, so it's my keyword important financing company. Let's go for it. So you have to use where, when, what, such like that when you find the question about your topic. Okay, you can go for it and check what is the question you have to find for it. Okay, we will get the question and search for it. So here is the question we can get. Okay, so what is the importance of finance company? Our company is related to finance and we can say answer the question and hide our company information by answering the question. So here we go for it. Okay, I have already answered the question for it, but I have to show you how we can answer it. So I will vanish my answer. Okay, this is the question of our topic. What is the importance of finance company? Our company is related to finance and it is very similar to our keyword, so we have to answer this and we will, if you will get better and good answer, you will get better and good traffic from here. They will replay in your answer and visit your company website. So much relatives to your company, so you will get huge amount of traffic by answering this question. So I have a question mark. Okay, here we go. This is the answer of it. I will manage it. So here we go. Okay, our all title are in bold, so we will remove bold. Okay, here you go. Then this is our company. You can hide your company website from here. You already in there. Can see we will go for our company website. So now you will add a picture on it. That's bring a more impress to your post. So I have okay, finance related question. Okay, here we go. We are ready for it. Okay, we will bold it and we will add link to it. What is your company link? You will add to it, or you will here we go. This line you have to hyperlink to your wall document. So here we will paste it and remove the bold mark. Okay, it's ready for it, and let's post it and see how will it sit. Okay, see how it look like. This is the question. This is the answer of this question, and you trickily hide your company website in this question. So when traffic will search for this question and get this answer, they will visit of your company for sure if they are interested on your answer. So you have to make sure that your answer is related to the question and it's very fashionable and unique for your company, that's represent your company for well to the others. So hope you can get it and you will make your own answer from it. So bye bye, see you in next video. Bye.